Everyone keeps predicting that AI will take every good job. Not quite. By the end of this video, you will know 5 six-figure careers that AI cannot yet replace, and the specific human traits protecting them. Let's start with nurse practitioners. The median salary is $129,000. Employment is projected to surge 45% by 2034, according to the latest data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Nurse practitioners have to have patience, they have to have good judgment, and they have to have the ability to comfort patients in vulnerable moments. Try getting a 2-year-old to sit still during an ear exam without any of those traits.
Open up. Let me see. No, please. It will be quick. No.
Skilled trades provide some of the strongest options. Let's take a look at master plumbers. Experienced ones or those running their own business can hit 6 figures. This job requires crawling into unique, unpredictable spaces and having the ability to improvise when plans meet reality. Every house is different. Every house is unpredictable. And when reality changes mid-repair, humans are faster at improvising than robots. Geoffrey Hinton, the Nobel Prize-winning godfather of AI, he actually recommended plumbing as a career that AI will not touch anytime soon.
Oh no!
Clinical psychologists come next. In private practice, many clear well over $100,000 a year. The Bureau of Labor Statistics report that the top 10% earn more than $157,000 annually. The work demands being able to read subtle emotional cues and being able to build authentic human trust session after session. It turns out that empathy is not easily faked, even by the smartest models. Now consider trial lawyers. The median salary for attorneys is $151,000 a year. In the courtroom, success hinges on reading juror reactions, adapting arguments on the fly, and delivering persuasion that resonates emotionally. AI drafts briefs brilliantly, but it cannot stand in front of a jury and shift the entire room with timing and tone. Courtrooms remain theaters of human drama.
Objection! I demand that you hear my plea. Can no one else see the truth of the matter?
And who knew that the AI boom would create increased demand for the very humans that are responsible for keeping the servers cool? Senior HVAC technicians with specialization or overtime can have salaries that exceed $100,000 a year, especially for maintaining cooling systems in AI data centers. They diagnose and repair systems in the real world where variables are changing constantly.
Oh, hey there. Didn't expect company in here.
The pattern is unmistakable. Every one of these careers demands something that AI cannot replicate: real-time human judgment in unpredictable, high-stakes situations. Whether it is comforting a patient, reading a jury, fixing a pipe that no blueprint could have ever imagined, or helping to keep the data center from overheating, the future belongs to those who can combine technical skill with distinctly human qualities, and that is genuinely exciting.
Automatic Addison.